Hey, what is up you guys? I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing an eye makeup look based over the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette out of her Vault collection. This one has a lot of purple tones and they're a lot darker, so today we're going to be doing a darker smoky eye look. And so yeah, I have my foundation laid, my eyebrows done, so after that all we will need to do is contour, lipstick, highlight, and blush. So without further ado, let's get started on the eyes. First, of course, I'm going to be priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I am starting to run out of this, so if you have a favorite eyeshadow primer, comment it down below so that way I can go and I can spend my money on it that I don't have. To blend out my eyeshadow primer, I'm going to be using this Crown brush. It looks like this. Now, my palette is extremely dirty. I do use this one all the time, so it is extremely dirty. All my Vault collection palettes, they are super dirty. Very sorry for that, but it doesn't take away from the beauty of it. So for my base color, I'm going to go in with Hush Hush. I'm going to put that all over the lid, everywhere. I think this is such a pretty nude color. Okay, I have that generally where I want my base colors to go, so. Oh, and I used one of the Naked Urban Decay 3 brushes that they have, the more rounded ones. Next, I'm going to go in with the Morphe M573, and I am going to go into the color Rockstar. And I'm going to blend this into my crease all the way up. Next, to make this a little bit darker, I'm going to go in with the color Mystic. Just going to go on the outside. And then going back in with the Naked brush that I have, I'm going to go back into Hush Hush, and I'm just going to take a little tiny bit, and I'm just going to soften up the edges. To highlight underneath my brown bone, I'm going to go in the color Bling Bling. Next, I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer and I'm going to prime my lids using the, I have no idea what brand this is. But anyways, I have a Morphe brush like this, but I don't know where it is. But it's like a rounder top, so it just fits right in there wherever you want the glitter to go. I squirt it onto the back of my hand and then I just go up. Using this packer brush from e.l.f. that's also round topped, I'm going to go into the color Ballsy. Whoa. I'm going to go into with the color Ballsy. It's kind of like a shifting chrome purpley gold color. I'm going to put that where I put the glitter primer. I do think this needs a little oomph, so I'm going to take my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and I'm just going to wet my brush just a little bit. And then I'm going to go back into the color Ballsy and we're just going to get it on going. And then I'm going to go back into the color Bling Bling and I'm going to really highlight right in here. Next, I'm going to take this brush from the Naked Smokey Eye Palette and I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to smoke out the bottom lash line. I use the color Rockstar again. I'm just going to smoke out my bottom lash line. So this eye I have a little janky, so I'm going to conceal a little tiny bit just to fix it up so it doesn't look as wanky. I'm sorry, my blending skills are not there today apparently. I am going to put on some liner and maybe add a little wing. We'll just kind of see what happens. Do I want a wing? Why not? I'm gonna let my eyeliner pen get a little bit of juice put back in it, so I'm gonna put lashes on this eye and mascara and all that, and then I will do the other eye. I'm using the Buxom mascara. I can't think what it was called. Okay, so while my mascara dries on that eye, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do my eyeliner on this eye. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add mascara to this eye. I'm going to be putting on the Ardell lashes in 110. Okay, my lashes are drying, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pop on some lipstick. I'm going to be using Wet n Wild's Catsuit in shade Toffee Talk. I love this lipstick simply because of the applicator. It's like dented in, so it fits perfectly into your lip. And now I just need to contour, highlight, and add blush, and we will be all done. For blush today, I'm using the Morphe palette and the warm tone shades. I'm going to use the shade Goal. And I saw this little trick on Twitter, so I am like extremely pale, right? So you go ahead and add your blush where you normally would. And then you just take a small amount, and then you're just going to take your brush and you're just going to go over your nose and underneath there. And then to highlight, of course, I'm going to be using the Tarteless Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to just use shade Stunner today, which is this one. Okay, so that is it for this purple smoky eye using the Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection in the palette Bling Boss. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye!